For a lot of people, it's been very tough to buy a home over the past few years, but there are a few early signs that's starting to get better. Let me show you why. First, mortgage rates are declining steadily. That should help affordability because it means you'll see a lower monthly payment on your home loan. Second, home price growth is moderating. That's good for you because it makes buying a home feel more manageable, and your home's value will still likely go up after you buy it. And third, wages are climbing at a faster pace than usual. That makes it easier for you to afford a home because you'll spend less of your paycheck on your mortgage payments. When you add all of this up, mortgage rates are going down, home prices are going up slowly, and wages are going up. Even though affordability is still a challenge, all of that's great news for your ability to buy a home. If you have any questions or if you would like to start your home buying process, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you for watching. Carolyn Alaverdium from Real Estate by Carolyn over at Balboa Real Estate, putting you first every step of the way.